I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I keep vegetable in the fridge. I keep vegetable in the fridge. I wipe the kitchen floor. I wipe the kitchen floor. I roll the chapati. I roll the chapati. I make tea. I make tea. I peel the potato. I peel the potato. I peel the potato. I slice the tomato. I slice the tomato. I slice the tomato. I pour tea. I pour tea. I boil water. I boil water. I pour oil. I pour oil. I taste the food. Taste the food. I fry an egg. I fry an egg. I cook the rice. I cook the rice. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I serve the food. I serve the food. I keep the plates. I keep the plates. I cut the vegetable. I cut the vegetable. I clean the stove. I clean the stove. I turn on the tap. I turn on the tap. I roast the chapati. I roast the chapati. I pour tea. I pour tea. I turn off the tap. I turn off the tap. I throw away the waste. I throw away the waste. I wipe the kitchen floor. I wipe the kitchen floor. I add some salt. I add some salt. I boil milk. I boil milk. I fill the jug with water. I fill the jug with water. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.